we've had a chance to practice with our cross contour lines that created worms. And now I'd like to take a moment and turn that into a complete project. So what that's going to look like is we're really going to take some time. We're going to draw this, mix colors, and really push this to see what we can get out of this cross contour project. So to start, you're going to get a sheet of paper, and it's our large paper. So across, it's going to be 12 inches, which is 1 foot, and it's going to be even longer on the other side. It's going to be 18 inches. So 12 by 18 paper. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and just draw some shapes that span the whole surface. So here I've got a clean sheet of 12 by 18 paper, and I can just start drawing some dramatic lines. And since it's a big sheet of paper, let's be sure to really try to fill the page. And here, there really aren't too many rules. I'm just sort of trying to create some shapes that go thick to thin. Now, in some of these shapes, you can really see a wide point, and that's where you could put a line. And then we're going to curve out from that line. Look how I'm really trying to return to it. And even if I don't make it all the way back down, even if I'm going to keep curving my lines. That's what's going to make it look 3D. Straight lines actually end up looking pretty flat. This is a good one for the sample. See how it goes thick to thin, but then it goes back to thick. So why don't I pause? I've gotten to the thin part. I'm going to go to this part of the thick, and I'm going to return. And what you'll discover is that we can put the straight line at the widest area and the narrowest. And so you'll do that for all your shapes. And look, think about this. If this helps your mind draw these correctly, think about them as dragon scales or feathers or fish scales. What that helps us draw, something we're more familiar, are really curved lines. So that's what we're going to do, is draw these curved lines. Here's a demo that I've gotten a little further on. And sometimes too, if there's not a wide point, like there was here, maybe then what I do instead is I just put these really curved lines on it. Because that's where the magic happens. It really is about curving lines. What's occurring is our brain eventually, even though all we're doing is going up and down, left or right, our brain starts thinking that it's pushing forward, and it starts creating an optical illusion. Then, once you do that, what I'd like you to do is color these, and I'd like the edges to be dark and then fade out to the middle. Edges are dark, fade out to the middle. edges are dark, fade to the middle. And you'll discover that that's what really starts to look like it's shaded. Now that I've shown that, take a look at a finished sample. Here's a shape. There's a line drawn through the middle. On this side, they push outwards. Look, they return curved, more curved, more curved, 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 curved. You return to the line, pushing out the other way. And then they shade it dark to light, leaving the center area faded to white. And so that's sort of that secret. Here's another beautiful sample. Look how they mixed colors. Not only does it go from dark to light, but it goes from red to orange to yellow. This is dark green to green. That gives you a shimmering quality. So that's your project, is to draw lots of shapes and then fill it with these curved lines. And that's when you get an optical illusion. And you're going to draw it with pencil, color it with color pencil, and then you can finish it with a black marker. And don't forget, it's on large paper. So this is going to be 12 inches, which is a foot. And then the other edge of the paper is 18 inches, which is a foot and a half. All right, guys, good luck. I look forward to seeing some beautiful artwork.